In this session, we are shifting our focus to a powerful yet often overlooked tool in the search engine marketing landscape, Microsoft Bing Ads. While many advertisers default to Google, Microsoft Bing Ads offers a unique opportunity to reach a highly valuable and often more mature audience across the Microsoft Search Network. As we dive into this introduction, it is crucial to remember that the success of any campaign, whether on Bing or social platforms, relies on the same fundamental principles of tracking and creative strategy. Specifically, when managing these ads, you must stay disciplined in monitoring your key performance indicators, ensuring your message is delivered, analyzing the read and response rates to gauge interest, and ultimately tracking the conversion rate to measure real business growth. Unlike the high engagement, vertical video world of Reels, search ads function more like the image ads we discussed, relying on clarity and directness. In this session, we are expanding our toolkit by exploring Microsoft Advertising, formerly known as Bing Ads, which serves as a powerful pay-per-click platform for reaching audiences beyond the standard Google ecosystem. While many advertisers overlook this network, it allows you to display your ads across a massive range of search engines including Bing Search, Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo, as well as MSN and various partner sites. Just as we discussed with image ads, the beauty of this platform lies in its efficiency. It is relatively easy and fast to create campaigns that use static visuals and text to target high-intent users. For coaches, educators, local businesses, and personal brands, this represents a unique opportunity to capture leads with potentially lower competition. In today's digital marketing lesson, we're exploring the strategic benefits of Microsoft Advertising, traditionally known as Bing Ads, which operates as a robust pay-per-click (PPC) platform. While many focus solely on Google, Microsoft's network allows you to display ads across high-intent search engines like Bing Search, Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo, as well as MSN and various partner sites. Much like the image ads we've discussed, these campaigns rely on static visuals that are easy and fast to create, making them an excellent choice for coaches, educators, local businesses, and personal brands. To ensure your budget is used effectively on this network, you must diligently track your performance data, confirming your message is delivered, monitoring the read rate and response rate to gauge audience interest, and ultimately measuring the conversion rate to determine your return on investment. In this segment of our digital marketing course, we are diving into the mechanics of Microsoft Advertising, formerly known as Bing Ads, to understand how it actually functions behind the scenes. As you can see on the slide, Microsoft Ads operates on an auction-based pay-per-click (PPC) model, which is very similar to Google's system but with its own unique ecosystem. The process begins the moment a user performs a search on Bing. Immediately, the platform runs a lightning-fast auction where advertisers compete for visibility by bidding on specific keywords relevant to their business. You are only charged a cost when a user actually clicks on your ad, making it a highly efficient way to manage your budget. In this final segment of our digital marketing session, we will walk through the essential steps to get your Microsoft Advertising account up and running. To begin, you'll need to visit ads.microsoft.com and sign in using your existing Microsoft account. Once you are in, the setup process involves creating a dedicated advertiser account, where you will define critical settings such as your preferred currency and time zone, and add a secure billing method to power your campaigns. A significant advantage for those already running campaigns elsewhere is the built-in option to import Google Ads campaigns directly, which drastically reduces your setup time and ensures consistency across platforms. Whether you are a coach, educator, or local business owner, completing this setup is the gateway to reaching a fresh audience on Bing, Yahoo, and DuckDuckGo. In today's lesson, we are expanding our search engine optimization toolkit by looking at Bing Webmaster Tools, which is a comprehensive and free SEO tool provided by Microsoft. Much like other webmaster platforms, this tool is essential for digital marketers to monitor their website's specific performance on the Bing search engine, ensuring that your content is visible to that unique user base. By using this platform, you can manually index URLs to ensure new content is discovered quickly, submit sitemaps to help the search engine understand your site structure, and proactively fix crawl errors that might be hindering your search rankings. For any coach, educator, or business owner, integrating Bing Webmaster Tools is a critical step in a well-rounded digital strategy, as it provides the data necessary to optimize your site for maximum visibility across the entire Microsoft network. To wrap up our discussion on Microsoft's ecosystem, let's look at why Bing Webmaster Tools is an indispensable asset for your digital marketing strategy. This free platform is vital because it provides faster indexing, ensuring your newest content is discovered and displayed to users as quickly as possible. Beyond just speed, it offers deep SEO insights and keyword data that help you understand exactly how people are finding your site, along with a robust backlink analysis to monitor your site's authority. Perhaps most importantly, it gives you direct crawl control, allowing you to oversee how search engines interact with your pages and identify any roadblocks to your visibility. In this phase of our session, we are walking through the practical implementation of Bing Webmaster Tools, focusing on how to properly set up your site for maximum search visibility. The process is streamlined into 3 essential steps, beginning with a simple login at bing.com/webmasters using either a Microsoft or Google account. Once you've logged in, the second step is to add your website. You have the flexible option to import your data directly from Google Search Console, which is a huge time saver, or you can choose to add the site manually. Finally, to protect your data and gain full access to the tool's insights, you must verify website ownership. Microsoft provides several standard verification methods to suit your technical comfort level, including adding a meta tag to your site's header, uploading an HTML file to your server, or adding a specific DNS record through your domain provider. Completing these steps is vital for any coach, educator, or local business owner, as it bridges the gap between simply having a website and having a site that is actively monitored and optimized for the entire Microsoft search network. In this stage of our masterclass, we're focusing on the technical backbone of search engine visibility, the sitemap. As displayed on the slide, a sitemap is essentially a roadmap in the form of a file that communicates directly with search engines like Bing and Google. Its primary purpose is to provide an organized list of all your website pages, ensuring that no deep or hidden content is missed by search engine crawlers. Beyond just listing URLs, it defines the structure of your site, helping algorithms understand how different sections relate to one another, and it establishes a hierarchy of priority, signaling which pages are the most important for indexation. In this final step of our technical SEO workflow, we're going to walk through the practical process of submitting your sitemap within the Bing Webmaster Tools dashboard to ensure your content is indexed as quickly as possible. First, you need to navigate to your dashboard and select the specific website you are working on. Once selected, find the Sitemaps section in the menu and enter the direct URL for your sitemap, which typically follows a format like yoursite.com/sitemap.xml. After you click Submit, Bing can begin processing the file immediately, which is a crucial step because the search engine indexes your pages significantly faster once a sitemap has been successfully submitted and verified. In this final step of our search engine optimization workflow, we will look at the URL submission and inspection tool, which is a powerful feature within Bing Webmaster Tools designed to give you direct control over your site's visibility. This tool allows you to manually tell Bing to crawl and index a specific page immediately, rather than waiting for the search engine to find it during a routine crawl. To use it, simply navigate to the URL submission section, paste the specific page URL you want to prioritize, and click Submit. This process is incredibly useful for ensuring that new pages, recently updated content, or fresh blog posts appear in search results as quickly as possible. In this final part of our technical SEO deep dive, we're looking at the URL inspection tool, which serves as your diagnostic center within Bing Webmaster Tools. While the submission tool we just discussed is for alerting Bing to new content, the inspection tool's primary purpose is to check if a specific URL is already indexed and to find underlying crawl issues or SEO errors that might be preventing your page from ranking. When you run a URL through this tool, it provides a comprehensive breakdown of the index status, any specific crawl errors encountered by BingBot, and a report on mobile friendliness, which is a critical ranking factor in today's mobile-first world. In this final segment of our digital marketing overview, we shift our focus to Microsoft Clarity, a powerful and completely free user behavior analytics tool designed to show you exactly how people experience your website. Unlike standard metrics that just show numbers, Clarity provides a visual understanding of how users interact with your site, capturing specific data on where they click and where they scroll. This allows you to identify which areas of your page are capturing attention and which are being ignored, providing a level of insight that goes beyond basic traffic reports. It is designed to work alongside Google Analytics, serving as a complementary layer that explains the why behind your user data. In this final segment of our digital marketing setup, we will cover the practical steps required to integrate Microsoft Clarity into your website to begin capturing valuable user behavior data. The process is straightforward and begins by visiting clarity.microsoft.com, where you can log in using either your Microsoft or Google account. Once you are in the dashboard, your third step is to add a new project by entering your website name and URL. The most critical part of the setup is the final step, installing the tracking code. You have two primary methods for this. You can manually copy and paste the code directly into your website's header, or you can connect via Google Tag Manager for a more seamless, centralized integration. In this segment of our digital marketing class, we are diving into the core features of Microsoft Clarity, specifically focusing on how it visualizes user behavior through heat maps. Unlike traditional analytics that only provide numerical data, heat maps offer visual reports that show exactly where users are clicking on your pages and how far down they are scrolling. This insight is invaluable for understanding which parts of your website are engaging your audience and which sections are being overlooked. There are three primary types of heat maps you will use: the click heat map, which identifies the most popular buttons and links; the scroll heat map, which helps you see if your call to action is being missed because it's too far down the page; and the area heat map, which highlights the overall engagement of specific page sections. By mastering these visual tools, digital marketers for personal brands, local businesses, or educational platforms can move beyond guesswork and make precise, data-backed adjustments to their site layout to maximize conversion rates. In this segment of our digital marketing curriculum, we are taking a deep dive into session recordings, one of the most transformative features of Microsoft Clarity. Unlike traditional analytics that simply provide data points, session recordings provide a video replay of actual user activity on your website, allowing you to see your site through the eyes of your visitors. This powerful tool captures every detail of the user journey, including precise mouse movements, where they click, and exactly how they scroll through your content. Most importantly, it allows you to identify critical friction points such as rage clicks, where users click repeatedly in frustration, and specific drop-offs where people lose interest or encounter a technical hurdle. For coaches, educators, and local business owners, these recordings are essential for moving beyond guesswork and seeing exactly where your website's design might be helping or hindering your conversion goals. In this final section of our digital marketing session, we will examine the practical use cases for the user behavior data we've gathered through Microsoft Clarity. For those managing a lead generation website, these insights are transformative because you can finally check your call to action clicks via heat maps and identify if your form position needs to be improved to capture more leads and increase your overall conversion rate. Similarly, if you are running an e-commerce website, Clarity allows you to identify exactly where cart abandonment is happening, giving you the visual evidence needed to improve your checkout flow and drastically reduce your bounce rate. By applying these practical applications, whether you are a coach, educator, or business owner, you move from simply collecting data to actively optimizing every step of the customer journey for better results. In today's digital marketing landscape, understanding the strategic differences between Reels ads and image ads is essential for campaign success. Reels ads are powerful tools characterized as short, vertical videos typically ranging from 15 to 60 seconds in length. Because of their immersive format, they are known for driving high reach and engagement, making them the best choice for brands focused on building awareness, generating leads, and maintaining a low cost per click. However, the key to success with this format lies in the first 3 seconds. You must lead with a strong hook to stop the user from scrolling. This specific ad type is particularly effective for niches like coaches, educational platforms, local businesses, and personal brands who want to establish a more dynamic connection with their audience. By leveraging these vertical videos, you can turn a simple view into a meaningful lead by capturing interest quickly and effectively.